Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islam Studies of National Daily University School, Morning Shift, Bonasi, Dhaka. Okay dear students, welcome to New Year 2021. This is our first class for the students of class 7. Today we will discuss from this book, Islam and Moral Education book of class 7. Today's discussion will be held from Chapter-1, page number 1 to 3, inshallah. Okay, dear students, today's class number 7, subject Islam and topic Chapter-1, page number 1 to 3, this discussion. Term half yearly, today's lecture number 1. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Chapter-1, Akkad, Al-Aqaidu. Definition of Akkad. The word Akkad is plural. Its singular word is Akida or Aqidatu, which means belief. The meaning of the word Aqaid is a set of faith or a set of belief. The first and foremost pillar of Islam is Aqaid. Okay, dear students, this is the first definition of Aqaid. And another definition of Aqaid is to believe in all the key aspects of Iman, heart and soul is Aqaid. And other definition of Akkad is, in other words, to believe in Tawhid, Salah, divine books, angels, etc. is called Akkad. He who believes in all these facts is a Muslim. Okay, dear students, we have already known what is Akkad. There are 3 definitions included in a book about Akkad. There are many aspects of Islam such as Kalima, Salat, Zakat, Hajj, Saum, etc. All these things, believe, heart and soul, is known as Akkad. And those who believe on that every facts of Islam, he considered as Muslim or considered as Mu'min. Okay, dear students, now we'll discuss about lesson 1, Tawhid. Firstly, we have to discuss about the definition of Tawhid. Definition. Tawhid means oneness or monotheism. To believe in Allah as the one and unique is called Tawhid. This is the definition of Tawhid. Tawhid means oneness or monotheism. It is the word meaning of Tawhid. To believe in Allah as the one and unique is called Tawhid. This is the definition of Tawhid according to Islamic terminology. In other words, this is the definition of another definition. In other words, Allah is the protector, creator, sustainer and provider of foods. He is endless and eternal. Nobody or nothing is equivalent to him. He is the only authority to be perished, prized and worshipped. To believe this by heart and soul is called Tawhid. Okay, dear students, it is the elaborate definition of Tawhid. Now we will discuss about the importance of Tawhid. This is the very, very important and very, very signifies things about the Tawhid. Importance and significance of Tawhid. There are some significance point about the Tawhid. Now I will discuss 1 to 5 today's lecture, and 6 to about 10 we will discuss in the next class, inshallah. Number 1, Tawhid is the first and foremost aspect of Islam. Tawhid through which human beings brings faith and accept Islam. Believing in other aspects of Aqaid have to be followed by Tawhid. So belief in Tawhid is very important for human beings to lead their life according to the teachings of Sharia. Okay, dear students, number 2, according to importance and significance of Tawhid, all the rules and regulations of Islam based on Tawhid. There are no rules in Islam which oppose Tawhid. We have to perform all ibadat like Salat, Zakat, Saum, Hajj, etc. for Allah the only one. Okay, dear students, Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, "Wama khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liya'budun." We have created mankind and jinn only for ibadat of me, only worship of me. So it is also the Salah, Zakat, Saum, Hajj, everything will done, we have to do for the Almighty of Allah, only Allah. And importance of Tawhid and significance of Tawhid, the 3 point is, believe in Tawhid brings successful for human beings. Okay, human beings can learn about the power and attributes of Almighty Allah by believing Tawhid. All human beings will have to be accountable in Akhirat. Okay, dear students, those who are believing Tawhid, he knows that Almighty Allah give the accountability in the hereafter life, and those who good deeds very much in this earth, he will go to the Jannah, and those who bad deeds and wrongful deeds in this earth, illegal things in this earth, then he will go to the Jahannam. Thus Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَهُ. Those who do a few things in this earth, good deeds, he will see the reward of this, and those who do very fewer things, bad deeds, he will get the reward of this. So it is very, very important to learn, to know about the reward of good deeds in this earth, in the hereafter life. Okay, dear students, now we will start number 4, importance of Tawhid. Tawhid brings mankind to the sense of one nationhood. Okay, dear students, those who believe in Tawhid, then he can get themselves as a one nationhood, one nation, because those who believe in oneness of Almighty Allah, they think they are one, everyone as like as one, and by this way between them grow the brotherhood, and they also help each other. By this way, Tawhid is very, very important as a human being, as a social life, in the not only social life but also earthly life is also. Every countries of the world, those who are Muslims, they can grow their believe in Tawhid, grow themselves the brotherhood by this way. Such as Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, Innamal mu'minuna ikhwatun. Verily, every mu'min are brother of each other. Okay, dear students, now we will discuss about importance of significance of Tawhid. Point number 5, believe in Tawhid makes a man dependent on Allah. Okay, dear students, those who believe in Tawhid, they can depend on Almighty Allah, because if he fall in dilemma or fall in any problems, then he depend on Almighty Allah, and he running on his present work, and he try best for grow up his life. By this way, mankind mankind can make his life grow, make his life glorious after the falling in destroyed position. By this, because all the moment when he depend on Almighty Allah in the dilemma, in the problems, in the disaster position, then Allah help him and he grow up from his disaster position to glorious life. By this way, every moment can develop his life on the believing Almighty Allah, on the believing Tawhid. Okay, dear students, this is the end of today's class. I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by parents, stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.